Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pattern which is titled as Christmas Rose Square. Okay, it is worked with two colors. In fact, I had used a baby cake yarn for the center, which is a self-striping colored yarn, and so it has got the two colors inside the floral pattern, and it is considered under intermediate level because it uses stitches like clusters which can be converted into baubles if you work a little differently, and you have the stitches which are worked over into the rounds that are one round below, and so on. Okay, let's go into the video without much delay friends. Chain 6 and form a ring by slip stitching to the first chain. So 1, slip stitch and join to the first to form a ring, and in the ring you place 8 double crochets spaced by 2 chains. So you can either start with 6 chains as the beginning double crochet and chain 2 space, or directly make a double crochet in the ring. By now you would have learned how to make the standing twisted double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double 7 more times, chain 2 1 double 7 times. Complete totally we should have 8 doubles and 8 chain 2 spaces at the end of this round. Complete the round and get back. I shall also complete and get back to you. We come to the end of the round here. Now after chaining 2, slip stitch to the top of the DC if you have made double crochet, standing double crochet. Otherwise the third chain of the 6 chains that you have made as the beginning chains. Now slip stitch to the chain 2 space. In the chain 2 space we are going to make 4 DC cluster. So the first one may be chain 3, and you can begin if you chain 3 and make 3 incomplete double crochets, and yarn over, pull through all of them. Chain 5. In the next chain 2 space, place a 4 double crochet cluster. Again chain 5. So continue. At the end of this round you will have 8 clusters and 8 chain 5 spaces. Okay, complete the stitches. I shall also complete and get back to you. We've come to the end of this round here. Chain 5, slip stitch to the top of the cluster that you made and fasten this off. I shall be back with the next color. Okay, with right side facing, join color B to any of the clusters that we made with the slip stitch, and place a single crochet on the same stitch. Chain 2 and place a double crochet over the chain 5 into the first double crochet of the first round here. Double crochet of the first round here. So this is how it is. Chain 2, single crochet on the next cluster, chain 2. So this is the pattern repeat. 1 double on the double of first row enclosing the chain 5 space of the second row. So this is how it is. So continue this pattern, place all your stitches. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of this round here. Chain 2 and slip stitch to the first single crochet, and then to work the next round we have to go into this chain space. Instead, let us try this. If it works out very good, chain 1 and a long chain, single crochet. If we do, we come to the center. Okay, single crochet into that first stitch. Now make a single crochet in the same chain space, chain 1 and then make chain 1, make a single crochet in the space, chain 3. This is a very simple round. Single crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and continue. So continue placing single crochets in every chain 2 space separated by chain 3 spaces. So continue and complete. I shall also complete and get back to you. We've come to the end of this row here. Now we have 3 chain spaces, so and I need to work into the chain space, hence I'm going to chain 1 and make a half double crochet in the first single crochet here, so that my stitch comes to the center of this thing. Now we need to place our corners. Our corners are over this DC. So we have totally 16 chain 3 spaces. So every fourth is going to be a corner. So let us start our corner from here. Place your stitch marker. Then 1, 2, 3, the fourth one, next corner. 1, 2, 3, the fourth one, the next third corner. 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth corner. So in the corners we are going to work differently. Till now this is the form of a circle. Once we place the corners, this will take the shape of a square, so it comes under the convertible crochet. So though it's a very small motif with few rounds, we are doing the convertible technique here. Now it has come to the center of this. So let us make it a little better. Yeah. So I chained 1 and now I'm going to work my half double crochet so that my chain comes to the center of the chain 3 space. This is considered as chain 3 space. Now chain 1 and place a single crochet here. This is not a corner, so don't worry. A single crochet here, beginning single crochet here, chain 3. Again, this is not a corner, so single crochet under the next chain 3 space, chain 3 again. You can chain 3 or chain 2. Let us chain 2 because we're going to go into the corner. Let us chain 2, that will be better. Remove the stitch marker. Place 2 double crochets, chain 2 double crochets in the space. 2 doubles, chain 2 doubles. So before the corner, we came to the corner by making 2 chains. Again, to go into the next stitch, let us chain 2. So this is the only difference. Now 1 single in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single in the next chain 3 space. We have come to the corner. So chain 2, remove the stitch marker, place it aside, 2 doubles, chain 2 doubles here. See, the square is taking shape. Chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Now we have come to the next corner. So repeat the stitches in this manner, the other 2 sides also. I shall get back to you when I complete. I've come to the end of the round here. I've placed my last single crochet, and before slip stitching and fastening off, I need to make chain 3. Here if we do chain 1 and half double crochet, this chain will become very thick. So let us not do that. Simply slip stitch, join and fasten off. That's it. Okay, I'll fasten off and get back to you. So completed slip stitching and fastening off, and I've hid the yarn too. Here we have the Christmas rose choir pattern, and this is a beautiful pattern. It will enhance your projects if you use them as your motifs for decoration, and several such motifs can be combined together to make small projects, small borders and whatnot. Your sky is the limit for your imagination. Okay friends, so hope you enjoyed the small video. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, but before that, a request from our side. Please do subscribe to the Magic Needles channel. If you are a first time viewer and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Okay, and have a great day friends. Bye for now. Look forward to the next pattern, the next video.